Mary, there is a guest at the front desk. He looks very worried.
Oh no, what happened?
He went to the pool. He has only a towel. His room key is inside the room.
I see. And his clothes?
Also inside. He cannot go back to his room like this.
Okay. First, let's give him a bathrobe from housekeeping.
Good idea. I will call housekeeping now.
Also, we need to verify his identity before we give a new key.
Right. I will ask for his name and room number.
Perfect. And John, please smile. He's already embarrassed.
You're right. Calling housekeeping. Hello, this is John from the front desk. Can you bring a bathrobe to reception? Size medium, please.
I will check his reservation on the system.
The guest says his name is Mr. Silva, room 214.
Room 214. Yes, I found it. His ID matches. We can give the new key.
Great. Mr. Silva, your bathrobe is coming. Here is your new room key. You can go up in 2 minutes.
Is there anything else you need, Mr. Silva?
He says no. He is smiling now.
Good. That is our job. Solve the problem fast and keep the guest comfortable.
Agreed. Nice teamwork, Mary.
Always, John. Always.